Hey guys, YouTube has just changed the policies for shorts and long videos when it comes to applying for monetization or YPP. Let's watch this video so that we understand the concept and what could be the reason why this YouTube is doing this. Does it want people to move away from YouTube, or there is something bigger and beautiful YouTube is planning for its creators? Now you require 20 million views in the last 90 days to qualify for YouTube Partner Program. When you qualify, you will require 10 million views every 90 days. If you fail to meet that minimum requirement, you won't be able to obtain revenue from the shorts. However, they are planning for you something else, which is going to replace that instead of losing everything completely. But the moment you hit back and you get 10 million views in the 90 days, automatically you go back and obtain revenue from the shorts. Number three, this does not mean that since you have been added to YouTube Partner Program, now you have fallen below the threshold, then your YouTube Partner Program is gone. You'll still be obtaining revenue from the long videos. Number four, to qualify for YouTube Partner Program, previously you required 1,000 subscribers. That one has remained the same way it was. Doesn't matter how long do you take to get 1,000 subscribers. You required 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. That is 12 months. But now it has doubled to 8,000. So you require double the work, or you require 20 million qualified views in the shorts in the 90 days. You see, they have also doubled that. So watch this video to the end. I will be explaining everything. Let's just talk about the new changes which YouTube has introduced, the new ways or opportunities to earn money, and also some of the changes YouTube has made to the partner program. This is just released yesterday. Affected parts: number one, premium lead; number two, YouTube shorts; number three, YouTube partner program adverts; and premium holds. We're gonna see what happened there. Previously, you needed 1,000 subscribers. So these are the big changes which happen. Premium lead is expanding. They're trying to expand the premium lead. How do they expand it? It will become available in all countries where YouTube Premium is offered, meaning that this program was not available in some countries, but now they are going to expand it so that now you're able to earn more. Share is 55% for long videos and then 45% for short. So it means that they are trying to encourage so that you're able to create more long videos because they earn more than the short ones. However, the short ones can have more views than the long ones. So what are the big changes? What are the big changes for shorts? This is probably the most, I will say that this is the most important change for short creators. People who are under the shorts, where your content is more about shorts. Yes, this is the most important thing you need to understand now going forward. Number one, you need to understand that from February of the next year, that is 2027, now you require to have 10 million views which are qualified over 90 days. Meaning that if you go below the 10 million views in the 90 days, you won't be able to obtain any revenue from the shorts, strictly from the shorts. Meaning that the long videos, you'll still be able to earn, but you won't be able to earn from the short videos. But the moment you go back and you click on the 10 million view again, then you'll go back to the what? To obtain revenue from the shorts. However, this does not change that you have been kicked out of the YouTube Partner Program. You are still there, but you won't be able to obtain any revenue from the shorts. You'll be only obtaining revenue from the long videos. So in actual sense, what I see here is that YouTube is trying to encourage content creators that create more shorts so that this also area can also grow, which seems like maybe they are not growing according to what they expected. Yes, the growing is there, but might not be growing according to the expectation, or the videos which are there are fewer compared to what they expect. So they are trying to make sure that you create more videos, and these videos must be interesting, and people are able to shift maybe from some other platforms to this platform. Another thing which I've seen here is that when you go below the 10 million views, still YouTube is trying to bring in more ways in which you can benefit. They talked about of bringing about bonuses for shopping, YouTube shopping incentives. They say that they are going to tell us this more about it. We don't know what is really happening there or what is involved there, but they will explain to us when they have introduced this. Remember, this is still in pipeline. This is going to be effective from the 1st of February 2027. So when they talked about new opportunities here, they are talking about that okay, now what happens if now I don't have the 10 million view short every day? So they are introducing new ways of paying you, new incentives. So another development or changes which happened is that previously we required 1,000 subscribers for ad revenue and 4,000 watch hours. But now it has been increased from 4,000 watch hour to 8,000 watch hour. This will only affect next year, February, on the 1st. So if you are approaching 4,000 watch hours, please push so that you are able to reach that threshold, so that you're able to reach that point before they close for this. Or otherwise, it means that now we have to double the work. Number two, you require a 20 million qualified short views in the last 90 days. It was supposed to be 10 million views. Now they have increased it to 20 million views. But there is something which you need to also to understand on this. This will not affect people who are already on the program, will only affect the people who are coming in. Meaning that if you want to start and you want to use the 4,000 watch hour, you need to do it before 1st of what? You apply before 1st of February. Then you'll be able to do that. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next updates.